Good morning. I wanted to walk you through how to do the It's Me assignment in the homeroom Google Classroom. So when you go to the assignment and you click on the Google Slides, it will open a blank document for you that is yours to edit. The first thing I want you to do is to delete everything on that slide. So by doing that, you can click, if you click somewhere in here, it's not going to work. Make sure you click the edge of the square and just hit delete or backspace on your computer. And again, do the same thing to this one. Click on the box. Those little squares around it should appear. Then hit delete or backspace and it will be gone. The next thing I want you to do is to go to background, and I want you to change the background. You can do whatever kind of background you want. I'm going to pick my favorite color, purple. And actually, I'm going to do a gradient of purple. And so I'm going to hit done. So I changed my background. The next thing is to insert word art. And I want you to insert your name. Hit enter to save. And then it pops up. Next, I want you to build. You can move that around just by clicking on it and dragging it. Okay, next, I want you to build yourself using the shapes. So the shape is right here. So you're going to pick which shape you want. So I'm going to start with my head. And let's see. If you click on this, you can fill in the color. And let's do, I want to do some hair next. So I'm just going to look and see. I wonder if this would work. So if that's what you want to use for your hair, you can do whatever how you want. I would make this different colors. I would say maybe right there. So see how it filled it in. And then I could hit Control Copy. And make a whole bunch of those. So just play around with it. You can make your whole body. You can just make like the your torso and head. If you just want to do your head, that's fine. So just play around with it. Oh, you make lines here. So just play around with it. Get familiar with Google Slides. So I'm sure there's probably better ways. Oh, you could have used this for your face if you wanted to. So there are lots of options. This is just going to familiarize you with using Google Slides, which is what I want you to do. So, I hope you guys enjoy doing this assignment, and I can't wait to see what you look like. Have a great Friday and a great weekend.